learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today, we are learning about 靠谱. First, let's watch an animation about the word 靠谱.
这件事交给小李去做，他很靠谱。
靠谱是指靠着柱子站立吗？
当然不是啦，靠谱是形容人踏实，值得信任，做事让人放心。
原来是这样，我闹笑话了。
After lunch,
这家餐厅的味道和服务都挺靠谱的。
你又说靠谱了，这次是餐厅靠着柱子的意思吗？
不是哦，这里是说餐厅各方面都不错，值得选择。
我明白了，靠谱既可以形容人，也可以形容事物。
没错，如果相反，我们就会说不靠谱。
我知道了，那个人经常说话不算数，特别不靠谱。
完全正确。
In the animation just now, one person misunderstood the word 靠谱 at first. She thought it meant leaning against a pillar. Now, let's learn the real meanings and usages of 靠谱 in daily Chinese. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together. 靠谱, 靠谱, 靠谱. The Chinese word 靠谱 is a popular daily expression. It mainly means reliable, trustworthy, or satisfactory. Its opposite is 不靠谱, which means unreliable. Now, let's learn different scenarios. First scenario. 这个人很靠谱. Let's read it 3 times together. 这个人很靠谱. 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 这个人很靠谱 means this person is very reliable. We use this sentence to praise someone who is honest and dependable. The second scenario. 做事靠谱. Let's read it 3 times together. 做事靠谱. 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 做事靠谱 means do things in a reliable way. It describes people who can finish tasks well and win others' trust. Scenario 3. 这家店很靠谱. Read with me 3 times. 这家店很靠谱. 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 The meaning of 这家店很靠谱 is this shop is good and trustworthy. We use it to comment on shops, products, or services. Scenario 4. 计划不太靠谱. Let's read it 3 times together. 计划不太靠谱. 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 计划不太靠谱 means this plan is not practical or reliable. Here we use 靠谱 to talk about ideas and plans. Scenario 5. 为人不靠谱. Read it 3 times with me. 为人不靠谱. 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 The meaning of 为人不靠谱 is this person is untrustworthy. It is used to point out someone cannot be trusted. To sum up, 靠谱 and 不靠谱 are widely used in daily talk. You can use them to describe people, work, shops, plans, and many other things. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 靠谱. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.